Taming the Tiny Titans, Dashes and Hyphens. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our channel where we take you on a journey to master the English language. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of punctuation. Specifically, we're tackling a topic that confuses many: dashes and hyphens. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use these powerful punctuation marks with confidence. Let's get started. First things first, it's important to understand that dashes and hyphens are not interchangeable. They each have their distinct uses. A hyphen connects words or parts of words. It's like a little bridge, bringing together compound terms, such as email or well-being. On the other hand, a dash is used for a range of purposes, such as creating emphasis, setting off additional information, or indicating an interruption in thought. Notice that the dash is longer than the hyphen. Let's dive into the application of hyphens. Here are some example sentences. 1. My great-great-grandmother was a renowned artist. 2. Please re-enter your password. 3. This is a win-win situation. In the first example, the hyphen is used to connect terms in a compound adjective, great-great-grandmother. In the second, it's used to create a compound verb, re-enter. In the third, it links duplicate words to form a compound term, win-win. Now, let's turn our attention to dashes. Here are some example sentences. 1. My brother, the one who lives in Spain, just got engaged. 2. I can't believe it. She finally said yes. 3. I need to buy a new coat. My old one is worn out. In the first example, the dashes are used to set off additional information. In the second, it creates emphasis on a surprising statement. And in the third, it separates two related thoughts. Let's put your understanding to the test with these mixed exercises. Try to determine whether a hyphen or a dash should be used in the following sentences. 1. The _____, dash or hyphen, year-old boy helped his mother in the garden. 2. I don't know what to say _____, dash or hyphen. It's unbelievable. 3. She's going to be a 3_____, dash or hyphen, term president. 4. You're my best _____, dash or hyphen, friend _____, dash or hyphen. You always have been. Take a moment to try these out, and we'll review the answers shortly. Punctuation might seem like a small thing, but as we've seen today, understanding the difference between dashes and hyphens can significantly impact your sentence's meaning. We hope this video has clarified these differences and helped you feel more confident using these two punctuation marks. As always, remember, practice makes perfect. Keep working on your English, and see you in our next video. Happy learning!